In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to access your work files using the Google Drive for Desktop app on your PC. Google Drive is our primary location for storing and accessing work-related files. If you've been using the web version of Google Drive, you can continue to do so, but the Google Drive for Desktop, you have easy access right from Windows Explorer on your PC. Let's jump in and talk about how to access your work files from Google Drive for Desktop. Open the Windows Explorer, the file management app on your PC. On the left-hand menu, click This PC. Locate and double-click on the G drive. This is your Google Drive. Inside the Google Drive folder, you'll see My Drive and Shared Drives. Select the one where the files you are looking for are located. Browse through the folders to find the file you need. Double-click on the file to open it. Google Drive should only be used for work-related files. Please do not store personal files on your college-provided account. If you should have any questions or need assistance, please contact the GTS helpline at 507-933-6111 or at helpline@gustavus.edu.